Okay, this is the part we're on page 54, and we're going to practice the sound of O in the word hot. So it's going to be ah. So repeat after me, and remember you have to open your mouth in English very, very big. Ah. So it's not pretty, but you need to practice. Here we go. First one is body. Body. I hope I can hear you. All right. Bother. Bother. Okay. Bottle. Bottle. Okay. Bottom. Bottom. Box. Box. Clock. Clock. Okay, you're doing a good job if you're practicing with me. Comma. Comma. Good. Keep repeating, okay? Cotton. Cotton. Doctor. Doctor. Drop. Drop. Okay. Everybody. Everybody. Good. Got. Got. All right. Good job. Hot. Hot. Impossible. Impossible. Okay. Job. Job. Lock. Lock. Lot. Lot. Not. Not. October. October. Okay. Possible. Possible. Pot. Pot. Rob. Rob. Keep going. Rock. Rock. Shop. Shop. Socks. Socks. Somebody. Somebody. Stop. Stop. No S stop. Stop. Top. Top. And the last one is father. Father. Okay, let's do activity 6 together real quick. So we're on activity 8. Sorry. This is page 55. Something like that. Okay. Number 1. What is it? Good. It's socks. Socks. Number 2. Yes. Doctor. Doctor. Oops. I made a mistake. Wah, wah, wah. That was number 4. There's 2, 3, 4. That one was doctor. So confusing. Number 2. Yes, father. Father. Number 3, clock. Don't worry, I'm looking down because I'm looking at our book like you're looking at your book. So, don't be distracted. Number 4 is doctor. Doctor. So number 5 is box. Box. Number 6 is bottle. Bottle. All right, that's activity 8. Let's go to activity 9. Number 9. Oh, we get to fill in the blank. It has you rewrite it, but we're okay. I'm going to let you do activity on your own, and then I will post the answers on Canvas.